Hi, this is a recipe video on how to make hearty beef and veggie stew with the new wave Duracore 6-quart Dutch oven. First, heat oil in pot. Then sear beef on all sides. Remove and set aside. Sauté onion, celery, and carrots. Season with salt and pepper. Stir in garlic and tomato paste and cook about 1 minute. Return beef to the pot. Add potatoes and broth. Boil the stew, cover with the lid, and simmer for 2 hours until beef is tender. Plate beef and vegetables. Garnish with herbs. The hearty beef and veggie stew is ready to serve. Enjoy!
New Wave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.